A snowy scene. This is video from just a couple of years ago, but East Tennessee could see some of that fluffy, it's hard to say, light snow coming up again tomorrow, and we are hoping so.
And we are in the Weather Center now to talk about the possibilities, the strong possibilities with Todd Howell. We were just discussing there's the light and fluffy that we'll see tomorrow. There's also the heavy, wet. The descriptives, I guess, are easy to distinguish between the two, but let's talk more about the differences and how they impact our day-to-day lives.
Right, and maybe a kitchen reference, I just thought about this, biscuits. Since we're all hungry right about now, right? You know, the fluffy biscuits, they rise easy and they stack up, you know, and kind of the less amount of moisture and density, they rise. When you have a drier, fluffy snow, it's going to rise easier, if you will, the biscuit analogy, and it's going to stack up easier when there's not much moisture. When it's a light, fluffy snow, you can quickly accumulate snow because it's light and fluffy and it stacks real neat. When it's wet, it's heavier, so it's more compacted.
So that's a hard biscuit.
That's a hard biscuit.
That's a rock.
That thing's not going to rise much coming out of the oven. That biscuit's going to be more flat.
Do you have more ice?
So do you like
with
fluffy bit? No, I'm just
Is there more ice with harder biscuits?
Yes. When you have, like we saw Friday, so we went from rain to a wet snow. That was very wet snow.
Yeah.
And it was coming down pretty good, kind of plopping out of the sky. This is going to be a drier, light, fluffy snow, as you said, Robin and Beth. So this one's going to be able to stack and lay on top of each snowflake. The ice crystals don't have as much moisture, so they really just lay gently, fluffy, and you can get an inch with less moisture than you would need versus in a heavy, wet snow. You'd have to have it snow a lot to get that same inch of snow.
Okay, so Beth was asking this during the break.
Right.
Is this good snowman weather? Making a snowman, would this be the right kind of snow for that?
Ideally, you want it to be a little bit more of a wetter snow.
Okay.
For good snowball making, or somewhere in between. Some, but when it's really dry and fluffy, you know, you just go like that and it just kind of blows off your car and everything. That'd be easy maintenance, but not as good as snowball making. You can do it some, you just have to work at it more.
But you can definitely sled in this.
Yeah, you can. It doesn't have as much moisture content, and therefore it won't be as icy, but